Let's update Forge to 1.19.4. Oh, right. We find ourselves back in Tilted once more, and in this tutorial, we're going to be updating our 1.19.3 Forge project to 1.19.4. Indeed, we have updated again. And for this, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the build.gradle file. And first of all, we want to go all the way up to our mappings over here. Of course, those are going to change to 1.19.4, crazily enough. Yes, indeed. And then the Minecraft version, the Forge version, you're just going to go to the good old files, Minecraft Forge net. This is, of course, going to be linked in the description, and we have 1.19.4 4506. So that is the new version. So we're going to have 1.19.4 4506. That is the current version. If you're watching this in the future, which is very likely, this might be a higher version. You can, of course, choose the higher version and then just see if there are any discrepancies. I'll try to add a note in the description or the pinned comment. And once you've changed this, you just go at the top right here, load Gradle changes. If the elephant does not appear, you can open the Gradle tab and just hit the reload button manually and then just let the build run through. It can take anywhere from a few seconds up to a minute or so. There you go. It's already finished in 9 seconds. And that should be everything that you need to do. All of the stuff should still work. So you should just be able to run the client and then Minecraft should start without any issues. And there we are. Minecraft has started and we're in 1.19.4. Absolutely beautiful. One quick note here at the end. I don't know how long the 1.19.3, 1.19.4 tutorials will continue for, as we've covered pretty much all of the major changes between the 1.19.1, 1.19.2 to 1.19.3, 1.19.4 versions, so do keep in mind that maybe it will come more sporadically in the future a little bit. However, don't worry, the tutorials are not going anywhere. 120, that's the big version. That's when the tutorials will start from the very beginning. We're going to go through new heights, basically. But whatever the case may be, that's going to be it for this tutorial right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. So, yeah.